Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to overlay in CapCut PC. So for instance, um, I'm going to select one video to the right and I'm going to select another clip on top the video, which is the overlay. So select the video or image you like to add as an overlay. So put on top another clip, which is this is the image overlay. So you can resize or yeah, you can blend for the overlay. Just go to basic and select the mode of blend, brightness, or just screen overlay, and just for the opacity. Alright, so that's how to overlay a video in CapCut PCE. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.